Here the question: draw triangle ABC at A -3 1, B -7 7, and C -3 7. Draw the image of ABC after reflection in the line y is equal to x. First, we can plot the point and draw the triangle. Here is the triangle. You can check. Here the point -3 1, this point -3 7, and this point -7 7. Then draw the image of triangle ABC after reflection in the line y is equal to x. First, we can draw the line y is equal to x. The line y is equal to x means if we substitute here x is equal to 1, the corresponding y value is also 1. That means the line passing through the point 1 1, and if you take x, the next corresponding y value 2, then 2 2, then if you take x is equal to 3, the corresponding y value 3, that means 3 3. The line passing through the point 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. Like that, we can draw one line. That is the line passing through 1 1 2 2 3 3. Same way, if you take negative value -1 1 and -2 2, -3 3, -4 4, then draw the line passing through this point. This is the line y is equal to x. Then we need to reflect this triangle in the line y is equal to x. For that one, first we can take one tracing paper, and on this tracing paper, first we can draw this triangle. And next, the same line we can draw on the tracing paper. Okay, now we are going to flip through this line. Use this line y is equal to x. Use this line, and we can flip through this line. If you flip, then we will get like this. Okay, the previous one, it is here. Then if we flip through this line y is equal to x, we will get this part. It will come here. Okay, then we can draw this triangle on the grid. Then we will get the triangle like this. Is the reflection of this triangle in the line y is equal to x. Then furthermore, you can check this one, the distance from this vertex to this line, that is here 1 2 diagonal. Then here also to this vertex, here also 2 diagonal. The same way from this vertex to the line y is equal to x, here 1 2 3 4 5 diagonal. Then to the corresponding vertex 1 2 3 4 5. Same thing. The same way, if you take this vertex, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here 7 diagonal. Then the corresponding to the from this line to the corresponding vertex 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That is the distance. That is the corresponding vertex are equal distance from the line y is equal to x. Thank you.